I said the truth. I said the truth, right? So basically, what are Tuesday? What do we use Tuesday for? Tuesday is to show you what I said the truth. In the I said, and what is our possible idea of a buy and a sell, and we help you see so that you can join the train and say, okay, you know what? Let me buy this and let me sell this. Okay. I understand that some of you already took how many pips from the come on. How many of you already made money from USDJPY? So USDJPY gave us a double opportunity, gave us a partial, though I didn't actually get in on the sell. I missed that. I was having a conversation and I missed that on this entry. How many of you got in on USDJPY? Put USDJPY on the chat. Okay. For the sell, yeah, the buy happened. Okay, we analyzed this last night and I told you if this market comes here and opens a green, that's a buy. It moved over 100 pips. Okay. But the time it moved, I was sleeping. It did 241 pips from the buy, 241 pips. Okay. And I told you guys this was a stop loss. So the stop loss was just 44 pips. That's 1 to 4. It means if you reach $50, you'd have made $200. If you reach $100, you have made $400. Now, 241 pips is actually 1 to 241 is 1 to 6 because it's 44 pips. So let's just leave it at 50. That is about 1 to 5. It means if you reach $50, that is $250. So let's say you even do 100 pips. That's 1 to 2. You made an extra $100 by risking $50. I analyzed the market that if the market come here, resell here and closes, doesn't break below and opens a new under 1 hour, simple, get in, put your stop loss below. I gave it yesterday. And all you needed to do was just stick on, watch it out. Now I know a lot of people may not have grabbed it because that was the time. It happened around 2 a.m., 3 a.m. in the night when men were sleeping and slumbering in Africa. Okay, so when I wake up, see this kind of trade, I'll just ask, did anybody get on that? It doesn't pay me that I did not get because I cannot, my dream cannot go and take the trade. So it doesn't pay me. So, but I knew that those of you that are outside Nigeria, okay, you definitely take advantage of that. That's beautiful. Even South Africa should enjoy that. Okay. And I told you this was the next concept, though it didn't hit the sell. It didn't hit the interceptor point, but it hit the concept, but not the zone. But because if we go back in time, you're going to find out that this whole area is actually the concept. All right. It's the zone. There's a floor here. There's a ceiling here. And the market triggered that. And it's selling already. Okay. And it has done, I believe it has done 30 pips. It has done 60 pips. Okay. And you tell me that there is no money, and you're saying no money. Money is sitting here looking at you. Okay, it's done 60 pips. So this trade, the next place is going to sell is around here. So if it consolidate comes here, I'm going to get in here. This is the next sell point at the 144.73. That is if it hits this interceptor. All right, this area, if it hits it. So what can you do when you come in here, even if you don't understand the strategy? I'm giving you where you can sell the market. And I'm giving you a way you can sell the market. So what you do is you learn that way. What is the way? I'm giving you the area it needs to sell. So there is a trend here, okay? And there is a price here. So between the trend and the price, okay, that is the concept. Okay, 144.73 is the price, the zone. Okay, this is the trend. Kendry, how can I get this trend? You simply look at this right now. Put a line between the high, the second high, the high between this area. If you put the line between this high and this high, you're going to get the trend. Okay. And put this horizontal line on your own trading view. You're going to get this same point. Is that's the next place I'm going to sell this market. Okay. And I'm going to sell all the way down here. Beautiful. So I'm good. So that is USD JPY short position. I'm going to looking at the sell here. Okay, the stop loss is going to be above this short. No. Okay, stop loss is going to be a little above this high, so that makes it 35 pips, and take profit is going to be all the way down here. Okay, it's actually all the way down because this is a trend down. Okay, we're looking at this. The trend of this market is a bullish trend, except it breaks this. It's a bearish trend, except it breaks this at this moment. For the hourly, the 4 hours, bearish down. Now on the weekly, it's bullish, but right about now, it's still bearish. So the market may be coming all the way down for me to buy here, but right now it's selling. So it may come back down, come back here to sell. So this is 1 to 13. So let's say peradventure you're a deep trader and the market triggers here, you risk 40 pips, 35 pips or 40 pips, and it's going all the way to 456 pips. Okay, so let's say you leave your 3K account. So let's say you have a 3K account. So let's say you have a 3K evaluation account. All right, 3K evaluation account you get for as low as $39. So let me show you how one trade can make a difference if you are just a newbie. So that is USD/JPY. Okay, account size 3,000. Let's say you risk on the trade, you risk 1%, and the pips is 35 pips. Okay, you risk this. So what are you going to use on the trade is 0.12. That's what you're going to risk on the trade. Okay, and it is going for how many pips? So what is the risk to reward? Even if it takes you 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, what's the risk to reward? So let's say you just leave this trade for the next 2 weeks and the market gets here. That's a total of 546 pips. I need you all to do a math right now, okay, of 546 times 556 times 12, 1.2. So each pips, okay, let me quickly do this. I think there's another calculator here. That is, if it's 1, that is $456. So 0.2, okay, times 456 is about an extra divided by 5, $50. So it's about $500 plus 510 or $520. That's what you're going to make on a 3K account. What's it going to take you to pass a 3K account? 10%, $300. So one trade with a swing like this can actually put you through. One trade like this. All right. So you just find those, and that's one of the things I do with you on Tuesday. I give you high potential trades that you can stay on. You don't have to be actively very busy as a trader. Just get on them and be faithful. Now, is it going to be easy to leave a trade to move all this? No, it's not going to be easy. I tell you, me, I don't know how to. As much as I'm a swing trader, I love to take what I see. So I'll take here first if you want. So I would leave a portion. I'm just trying to tell you overall, because many of you don't have the capacity. Even me right now, I can't just take a trade and leave it all the way here. Unless I'm doing, so this is what I do. I take the trade, I use my one-to-one. So I could use a 1% for one-to-one. Okay, what is one-to-one? I'm risking 50 pips to get 50 pips. I'm out. That's my day. I've taken care of that. I could now use a 0.5 or a 0.3 to get in on the swing. And if it's 1 to 13, so even if I use a 0.5, which is risking $25 times 13, see how much I'm making. That's the, I can leave down because it's insignificant to me because I've made what I need to make in a day. Are you tracking? Put tracking if you're tracking. Okay. So don't be greedy. Take what you can take. Take what you can take in the day so you get satisfied. You don't have to be watching it. Hey, the trade is coming back. Should I leave? Oh, many of you, when you have access to Coach, you not call Coach Emmanuel. Coach Emmanuel, look at this trade. Is it coming back or should I leave? Don't do that. Be faithful. Okay. If you're taking your first one, you don't have to care about one. You have to train yourself to go the long run so that's how you can capitalize on huge potentials in trading. Does that make sense? Good sense. So this is one potential you guys can watch out for in UJ. If it comes back here, that's when I'm going to be getting in on the trade. So how am I going to get in? If it hits here, 1 hour doesn't break it, 4 hour doesn't break above, okay, and it opens a 1 hour sell, boom, I'm getting in and I'm putting my stop loss just as this market is saying. Stop is going to be around 5.0 1.85. That's the stop loss. You can use 145 point, then 10. That's going to be the stop loss, and you leave your market to move. You can take your first TP here. That is over 100 pips. That's supposed to about that's 70 pips if you take traders. That's 70 pips. But if you leave it all the way here for the other potential, that's good. What was the other trade that we looked at yesterday? We looked at GJ. Somehow I see GJ is not the concept. So GJ is almost there. Well, look. You want to scare me? What pushed you? My word. All right. Sorry for that disruption. Okay, so GJ, well, let me look at this one. Why are you guys kidding with me? GJ got there. Okay, so GJ, all right. So let's see. GJ, we'll have another trade on GJ. I didn't know GJ. Last time I checked GJ, oh, I think I checked this one. This is what I checked. All right. So GJ is, let me see. Okay, it hit the concept. It hit the, but this is the point of, I think this market is moving already. Come on. You may want to repeat it again. Let me see what's happening in 4 hours. 4 hours hit. I told you guys, whenever I peak, this is a peak on 4 hours, and it's hit that peak right now. There's a possibility that it may come back to touch it again. So there's a point here. If this comes back to touch it, it's going to be very valid for the concept. But I have a feeling that this is going down already. So there's an active sell on market already on GJ. Let me see if I'm qualified. GBP is the strongest player right now. So this is where the battle begins. Hold on. GJ is my guy. GJ is my guy. Okay, so GBP is strong right now, emotionally strong. It's emotionally, which means it's sentimentally strong, but there's always point of break. Okay, there's a point of break, either on the hourly or the 4 hours. Am I communicating or my network is breaking? This looks like it's slow. You guys can hear me? Very good. So GBP is very strong. JPY is weak, but this is where the miracle of making money is, the ability to take the chance, okay, on the emotions, because everything would turn, okay. This was supposed to be the sell if this was the concept, but it hit the line on the concept, okay. So I have a feeling that this market is going to come to this concept and hit, then activate a sell. So if this happens, let's watch out right now. Patience is key. Okay, if this happens, we're going to be good. But this is what I am going to do. GBP is very strong, and whenever it's strong, let's look at this. Let me look at other factor. Come on, this guy now, you're supposed to say, don't, okay. So the thing is, luckily, good, entering a market like this is close to right, okay? But I feel the point of interception is in net, all right? So if this market comes to this area again, hit and closes a 1 hour candle, that is when it's going to be most valuable. Sometimes it can move away like this. So I'm having a feeling like I want to get in on a light risk. But not like it's coming. It's coming. I'm having a feeling it's going to come. So let's wait for it. Okay. Let's wait for it and see it doesn't close above. If it doesn't close above, it means it's signal for us. Okay. If it closes above, it means it's not for us. Okay. When it comes to the concept, there's something you guys always want to pay attention to. The point of interception is the key value of, it's what validates the active trade. All right. That is, if it doesn't, it may hit like this market right now, hit the trend. It hit the trend and also hit the concept, but it didn't do it at a point of interception. And this market is really showing you right now that I am, but Mumbo is coming. So if it comes here right now, okay, this is one time in the market we'll get an active trade coming to us with speed. Don't go away. We're waiting for you like binary options right now. Okay. So if the market comes here, closes. So what's the time? In the next 25 minutes, if this market respects this area, that is an active hit of concept. The next thing is the signal of entry. So what's the signal of entry? I need everybody putting it on the chat. Okay, don't run no way. We love you to come up and do this thing. What's the signal of entry? Put it on the chat. One thing a lot of people don't understand in trading, because of impulse, they don't follow instructions. What is the signal of entry? What is it going to take you to get in on the trade? So there are sometimes I do impulse trading, like getting in on the trade right now is an impulse trading. Because why? You think it has hit the concept, that's hit the trend, and yeah, you can get in, but we forgot point of interception. Like UJ was a half big trader. So UJ hit the concept but didn't hit the price point. So it was half big, but it was a good one. He sold. So if you did that impulse, you would have been lucky. Okay. So that's what I'm telling you. I always love everything. If you follow the rule, you'd always be right. You'd always feel good. Follow the rule. Don't manipulate it. All right. So GG right now, it's half baked as well. So let's see. Let's see if it comes and closes. Okay, it's almost there. That happens, what you just need to do is wait out for the next hourly candle to close below, just like this date, and you just get in and put your stop loss. The stop loss shouldn't be much because the high after this high is here. All right, so I could say if you get in somewhere around here, your high should be, your stop loss is just above this 4-hour high, which is 38 pips. Not bad. Okay, and you're going all the way down to the stream of Mantos. Yeah, you're going all the way down here, which is about 1 to 17. 1:17. If that happens, that's crazy, man. It's crazy. I'm going to make a whole lot of money next year. Man, sheesh. I'm going to be making a whole lot of money next year trading. And you guys are not seeing it with me. I'm going to be making a whole lot of money next year in trading. So be patient. This is how you get it. Okay, go for high potential, less risk. So if I'm doing 40 pips, okay, and I'm getting, what's the total? I'm getting 682 pips. That's a whole lot of money. That could pay me what I was supposed to earn in weeks, and just pay me in a year. You can get it in a week. Just imagine you invest like $500 on this trade. So these are two major trades I'd like to tell you guys. They are actively very present right now. Okay, they should sell, but if they don't, the next point is you have to now be looking at for continuation. No, I don't think this wants to go back up here. But if it don't, what we just do is watch out for the outlaw. Okay. Just a moment. Which means the price breaks this structure, this market is supposed to sell this area. If it does break this structure, it's gonna retest this structure and gonna be looking at buy. Though the potential up is not strong, it's not a strong potential. It's not a big one, but it's still something. So that's well over 300 or 400 pips before it's gonna start selling again. So, but we're looking at for a sell now. So let's just watch out. Any questions so far? So that's about the two analysis I'm majorly looking at. Okay, I told Madam Nonsola I was going to look at GA before she asked me. Okay, I said I was going to look at GA. So before we look at, let me drop an alarm here. So every one of you, okay, the moment this hits 184.114, okay, notify us in the group the moment it closes the sell candle. Let's all get in. All right, does that make sense? Put sense. I mentioned G. Oh, you have even asked already. I've not even looked at the chart. Okay, so the moment it hits here and the next candle, which is the next hourly candle, closes, which is the 3 o'clock candle, closes as a sell candle, we get in for a sell. And TP1 is going to be 100 pips. Okay, you can leave the second one open. Okay, so if you have any question on that, you can put it on the chat. Someone asked for GU. GU is going to do a double. Okay, let me tell you, I was analyzing this chart with a friend of mine, and I said, oh, no. So this market ought to be selling. It's going to probably sell here again. Okay, because when the market broke this structure, it's now retesting the structure. So, okay, so this is a structure inside of my cell. So let me just peel this out. But I'll tell you where another thing that I am looking at. So most times when market hits a high point, it comes back again to do, okay. But the approach to it is that you probably wouldn't be wanting to come up here again because it's not to this liquidity if it does break it. This is right now, okay. If it responds and open a new candle as a sell and closes below this 1.2734 area, that's going to be a sell down and it's a major sell. Okay. I told you guys yesterday that that's where I want the market to come. And it's there right now, but I want price action to play out, okay, based off on price drop. So if that happens, okay, if the next candle closes a sell candle, the next candle, not this candle, the next candle, this candle is the interception candle. The next candle is the signal candle. Okay, don't make your interception candle your signal candle. It's always rough most times. Okay, so if that happens, the next candle, which is the 15 o'clock candle, 15-hour candle, that closes as a sell candle, boom. Okay, that's a sell. It's going to be a major sell. So let's watch out. That's what I'm looking at in G. But if you look at the overall, if that doesn't happen in the 4-hour, the market is coming to this region for a sell. Okay, that's my next region, sell region. That's the peak point. After this, come on, let me see. Okay, after this peak point, there's a candle here right now. It's not showing in the 1 hour. Let's see. Okay. So all of these areas are peak points. They are supply zone. Okay, good. So all of these areas are supply zones in the market. This is the highest of the supply zone. That's what was sold last week. Okay, so market, if it doesn't respond to this one, it may probably want to come to this one. There's a small one here, but it's insignificant to me because the candle closed above here. So this is the next one, next peak point. If market comes to this area, you're going to be looking at a sell around the 1.2845. Okay, and put the stop loss above here. That's what I'm going to be looking at. That's what I'm going to be looking at, which is a whole lot of money as well. So just find a way to minimize. So between here and here, okay, it's not much. It's less than 40 pips. Okay, so that is my next area of sell on G. Let me change the color. Where is the color? Okay, so that's my next area of sell, major sell on G if market comes here. Okay, so that may not, yeah, it may happen. If it continues up, that's going to be very, very valid for a sell. Okay, and the potential is going to be, so let me drag this here right now, entry here. Potential is, oh man, going to be crazy. We're looking at this. That is almost 1 to 15. Okay, 738 pips. That's the next potential we're looking at in this market. That's G. You guys grab? That's my big potential in this. That is if it decide to come up here. But right now is where it's already at the point of sale. Okay. Sometimes you can run away with this candle, which is trying to do right now, but it's insignificant to me. Man, it's bad. If it runs away with this candle, it's not too good. Because you will not get the best form of entry. That's the bad thing about because you can run away with this candle and just keep going down, and you're not going to get the best entry. And sometimes it's not just good to jump in because you assume that this candle is okay. It's going to not be the second. No, it's not good trading. Okay, so just be patient for this. All right, just be patient for this. If it doesn't happen, you look for another trade. Always look for another trade. That's G. You guys get G, right? GA. Okay, I'll do this quickly and I'm off. All right, so GA, this is a price point consolidating price point. Okay, so there's a high, another part. To be very honest, very honest. So market created a high, another high, kind of slightly high. To be very honest, the market is trying to go back up. So I'll do two things on GA right now. First one is capture the consolidation. Market consolidated around here. Okay. So that is what I'm seeing right now. This is present price action consolidated. So what I'm going to be looking at for is market may probably or probably is doing what I am looking at for. So let me see this. So it's trying to break off the consolidation right now. Kind of a bad one. Okay, I hope I'm not too late on the analysis. Okay, so market broke above this high. Okay, if you retest here and opens a new candle, that may be it. Actually, that may be it for this particular move. Now, the sad thing for me that I don't like, if I have to look at my next price point, okay, I have to calculate the potential. If I risk entering this market, what is my potential? My potential is about 50 pips. What am I going to risk? I'm going to be risking about 80 something pips. I don't like it. I don't like this particular move happening right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do this. Okay. If market comes here, hits, okay, and comes back down here, boom. That's when we're going to have a break. That is when I'm going to get in on the trade for GA for this price point. Okay, not this particular break retest. This is too small for my kind of trade. Not that it doesn't make it valid, but it's too small. Okay, but if I want this market to really make a major move, it's going to test the next supply zone, come back, retest. If you can confirm a retest, it means that's a continuation pattern. It's going to go up. So that is what I'm looking out for on GBPAUD. That's the simple one. Okay, now if you're looking at concept, there's a price point, there's a price point, there's a price point. Okay, if I put these two price points together, it means you're going to be looking at selling this particular area for a concept. Okay, did it touch? If you want this market to go down, you're going to be looking at selling this particular. That's why I said I don't want to be getting on this trade because there's an area of interception here. Okay, it means if this market gets here, I could be looking at for itself. It closes a second candle. Though the potential is not too much, but I rather follow it on the downside. Okay. Yeah, so that is another thing to watch out for. So if you easy that you take this, I love the market that I have to wait for. Let it come to me. So I love this. Let it come and we'll drop it down. So Kendrick, what is going to be the mode of dropping down? This is going to be my first TP. So if TP is first TP is 50 pips, take it. Then leave the other potential to run because this is a battlefield. Right? For market to have created a higher high, means it's going up. So it's just making a decision. However, if this plays out, you get it. Okay, I don't have a concept for this right now on the upside. Okay, is just this particular one because it has not created what it has created. It will be me taking this and this, which means market is so market has to come this sell or this sell around. You have to bring market around here for a buy, which is a good move on this market on GA if I'm looking at this potential. But I now have to find okay, so let's see. Yeah, so there's a ceiling around here, there's a floor around here. I'm looking for a major floor, major floor, major floor, major floor. There's something around here. Good. So let me see this, let me see this, let me see this. Okay, that's not where I'm looking at. Stay down. So I think we're going to be looking at here. It's going to be major. This is good, but I don't find a ceiling there, but I find a good floor here, but no ceiling unless I change to the daily. Let's see. Okay. This is flat. This is ceiling here. Okay, really, okay. Market broke here, retested and dropped down. So there's kind of like a ceiling there, but it's not really the best of all. The best I've seen is here. Okay, okay. There's a beautiful, there's a ceiling here, there's a ceiling here, which makes all right, good. It's looking clearer now. So it means if we're going to capture this area, we've got a price point around here. Let's check it. Let's see if it's good. Yes, it is good. Okay, so this is going to be a good price point for market to buy, which gives us good potential. Okay, so I can take this off. Okay, so I believe this is going to be the most active one. So I'm just going to put this. All right, this is it. Okay, boom. It's going to be the next price point if it does. So this is what I'm going to be looking at for in the market hits here, then here is going to be the next valid point. All right. So far, so good from this analysis. If market hits here for the concept, this is going to be the next valid point. So these are the two concepts, the trend concept and the reverse concept on GBP AUD. Does that make sense? Okay. Any other thing in between is just a peripheral. This is the concept. This is the concept. So this is a high swing. It's going to be a good swing market. So since we're looking at GBP to be falling, so let's check. GJs, we're looking at GU selling, we're looking at G. So if this happens correspondingly, that's beautiful. So that's about my time, ladies and gentlemen. Any questions so far? Did you guys get this? So what I need to do is send the chart, right? Mm-hmm. And I'll show you guys something remarkable so that you guys can understand what kind of community we have. I've given the trade. I have people who make you not miss the trade. GA concept. It doesn't rely on me. Kemba, when am I going to enter? Someone is going to let you know it's ready. Okay, so that is that GA. I already gave GU. GU is also, I already sent you guys GU before, right? Respect analysis. I told you guys this was going to be valid. When the market breaks here, retest, it's going to be valid, right? It didn't happen. It went down. This did. Look at when the market finally broke that area. Look at when it came to test that area and it opened a blue candle. Look, it's moving right now. The analysis are valid. It may not happen the time you want it to happen, but if you could wait for it, it will happen. So this is the last G that I did on this chart. Okay, this is the present one I'm doing right now. So now all you need to do, the candle is going to close in 5 minutes, which means this is valid. This is good. Just watch out for the next candle. It will play out. Just watch out to play out. This is going to be good. When the market is trending down, it will always sell the previous floor of a downtrend. So it consolidated around here, broke here. Okay, this is the floor of the downtrend. If a new candle opens and closes below this floor, that's a sell signal. Wait out for it. It will do it. Okay, wait out for it. If it doesn't do it, okay, it may do it on the 1 hour or do it on the 4 hour. Either is valid. If it doesn't do it, just wait for this high. Just like I told you last 2 weeks that this is where I wanted to sell this market. It never broke there. It never got there. Okay. But last week, Friday, it did. And we made this money out of it. So wait for it. It may not happen, but that is where your focus comes in. You're not distracted. You're not everywhere. You're not in every room trying to get every trade. But just focus on potential. That's how you hone the skill. You get better on watching analysis 80% of the time than looking for trades 80% of the time. Does that make sense? So I already gave you guys have GU. Or let me just give this updated one. What I do with you guys on Tuesday is not just find you trades. I find you high productivity trades that you can stay for the whole week and come back next Tuesday. Okay, GU price point. Okay, and I have a beautiful course on this. Okay, as you guys that are new that got started, aside the live sessions that I'm doing every day, when you get started and you now know how to trade, I'm going to send the link of the course to you guys for those of you in the nation already, so you can follow either if it's a trend feeds, if it's a concept reverse outlaw. If it's that, just watch the video and start documenting your own trades. And every Monday, we're going to be taking care of you. Any questions you have or any development. Okay, that's about it. Any questions so far? I know I actually looked at EA yesterday as well. Nothing is happening right now. Okay, nothing happened on EA right now. This is the buy point on EA. Okay, so family, that's that. Any question? Hi, coach. I got timing mixed up for this session. It says 2 p.m. GMT. It's GMT plus 1. Alex, you do know that 2 p.m. has been 2 p.m. We didn't change this time. 2 p.m. GMT plus 1. Our time is actually plus 1. Okay. So any questions so far? How many of you got value on the show session? So it's a show session. How many of you got value? Let that question be answered first. Okay, let's see. So, but my challenge is how do I get and mark out those levels? All right. So if you're trying to catch up so fast, you may not get it. I explained it though, but if you didn't get it, the video, do you know you can actually go on YouTube right now and rewind me? You can actively rewind me and watch me slowly. And you can just duplicate it on your own trading view. That is what I do when I'm watching videos. I duplicate this so you can wait out for them. Okay? Did you get that? Owen Kinex. Beautiful. Now, the next thing is you've gotten value. What are you going to use the value to do? Are you going to make money from it? If I come next time and I ask you, how much did you make? I gave you how many trades did I give right now? At least you should get one. Over the next 5 days, we'll come back next Tuesday. Okay, we're not coming back next Tuesday. Next Tuesday, we're already on Christmas, right? You should be making money in Forex trading. Anywhere you are in the world, you should be making money. If you're not making money, ask the right questions. Be humble to ask the right question. Okay, how can I make money? And the best part of making money is to start learning. If you've not learned before, stop beating the process. Okay, there's a principle of sowing before reaping. If you do not sow when you're trying to reap, you're a thief. Trying to steal someone's fruit. And guess what? You may not be a thief, you're just someone who probably wants to receive. But if you're trying to receive and your expectation is bigger than that of the person who owns the fruit, then that's when you truly become a thief. Okay. So don't be someone who steals what you already have. Just get to learn. How can I get what it is that I have? Let someone who has it show you. We have a beautiful community of people who are really doing well in trading. I promise you, you're going to be seeing the best exceptional trade experts from this nation over the next 6 months to 1 year. I promise myself that I'm going to help 5 females become female educators in the year 2024. And I've already gotten more than half of the numbers already. Okay. I'm talking people not just making money for themselves. Men are already too plenty. I want to add women. Okay. Because women has a way of setting the family aright. So when men see women trading, they feel ashamed of themselves. Right? I mean, I don't know if you know that's true. If you see a woman analyzing the market, be like, come on, what brain do I have? Come on, count down. You will learn. Okay. So women has an influence. Women have influence in the trading environment, but somehow they don't know. And somehow have a gift with women. Okay. If I teach you and you're willing to learn, you're going to be very good. So I already have a lot of male educators, male successful. So I'm focusing me and women right now because it's automatic when you come to my environment as a male, you're gonna be good. But women, I'm trying to help their tender nature, and thank God I have some beautiful ones already. All my onboarding members are women. Okay, almost all my women making withdrawals now. They're good. So I'm balancing the sheet. And if you want to be part of this, now not everybody can be in Empowered Mission, okay? Because now we have selective membership, but you can start from anywhere, okay? We have a course that is we have a beginners course that is starting January for our pre-academy, okay, where you can rewrite the story of your trading. It's not just for those who want to learn how to trade, it's for those who want to learn how to be profitable. Many traders are not profitable and they don't know why. Simply, and they can never know why. If you're a trader and you're not profitable, and you've been trading for 6 months to 1 year and you're not profitable, okay, don't you want to know why you're not profitable? Because you ought to be profitable. If you're not profitable, you want to know why. And most times the answer is in the beginning. Okay, so you did it wrongly. You had a wrong mindset. You had a wrong expectation. And you can never speed off this if you don't set it right. Okay, so sometimes it's not really about going deep to find out, okay, what am I doing wrong? No. What didn't I do right? So you find when you find out what didn't you do right, you're gonna get all of the wrongs you've done right. So that's what the beginner's course is for, the perfect entry, traders course. It takes care of the 80% to take care of the 10%, 90% to take care of the 10%. Starting January 6th, running through February 6th. That's our first session for the year. Okay, and the completion of that course, you're going to be getting a funded account, an evaluation account to start your journey. It's $150 for that 4 weeks course. That's one place you can start. Or you want to get through into our membership where you could learn and at the same time earn. Okay, get access to our application, get access to our automation, get access to our live classes and our live mentorship calls. Okay, a 6-month plan. You want to go direct. So Kemfrey, I know what you've been doing. I don't want to be staying on all of this. I want to get in. Okay, we'll have a 1-year plan for $1,500 and a 6-month plan for $8,000. Okay, that's our membership plan right now. So you just make a decision. You want to get started. Let's advance the cost of your income and your expectation. God bless you. Have a beautiful day. I'll see you guys next year on this particular session. It's going to be next year. We're going to be having a Tuesday. No. This pet course is an advanced course, but some people, I promise that some people are going to have the opportunity to, depending on your performance, the pet course is a pet course. It goes with the name pet, but PET means perfect entry trader. All right. There are things you should take care of in the beginning of your trading. When you begin to complicate it, you're going to lose your focus. So that is why I said I'm going to give some people access. Some people who are doing this because they're already advanced traders. which means if you're already an advanced trader, but you're not profitable, if I get your beginning right, then I can tell you, okay, you need this, and I'll give you an opportunity to get this. So that is one thing that we are available for those people. If you go through the PET course and you are capable, all right, I'm going to open up how you can get the PET course, all right, because the PET course is generally for membership, okay? It's an in-house strategy. There are a lot of things we're still doing. I should be selling it and making a whole lot of money, but it's not really for sale. There's something about that strategy that is unique. I'm even trying to understand its uniqueness. So, and it has different features attached to it. So it's something that I'm building to help you understand trading. So it's not up here, but if you're within the community, you're going to be enjoying the benefit